way that things have been created.
Evolution is a myth, and even Darwin himself...
Evolution is a myth?
You know what?
Have you ever looked at a monkey?
Well, then why aren't monkeys still evolving into humans?
I don't like to hurt your philosophy, but if it's evolved, something is here, it becomes better. So it's not this thing anymore, is it? It becomes that, yes or no? And then that becomes the next thing and the next thing. And according to the pictures they show you in the books written by atheists, it shows you that there's this little creepy thing comes out of the water. And then the creepy thing becomes like a little small, I don't know what, and then it becomes like a marmoset. The marmoset becomes some kind of a little small monkey, a bigger monkey, then it becomes an ape of some kind, then it becomes a chimpanzee-looking thing, and then a gorilla, and then a man-looking thing, and then finally, there's Homo sapien, right? Right? That's what they show, yes or no? Okay, even if we go with this theory, humans came from monkeys. Why are there still monkeys? Oops.
Evolution means that something has become something from something else, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so my question is, if we're from apes, why are the apes still here?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
If we evolved from apes, they would have died off.
I mean, but what is an atheist? I don't really get into that. You know, when I've talked to people all the time, I'm an atheist. I just walk away. I don't know what to say to you. You know,
well, an atheist is someone who doesn't quite believe that there is somebody out there, some God out there.
Well, then to me, you're an idiot.
Okay, well...
So I'm cool with that. I'm just probably not the right politically correct thing to say. But if you don't believe in God, I mean, really, you got to have an explanation for this. You just can't tell me this spun out of a gastrous ball. Yeah. And then all of a sudden, then we were evolved from monkeys. Why we still got monkeys? It's too much open here. I just believe that. And if you don't believe that, then I don't like talking to you.
I say.
میخواد من تو آیت قرآن داروینیسم بیرون بکشم؟ تو آیت قرآن داروینیسم بیرون بکشم؟ به خدا میشه داریم.
People often ask me, if we're descended from chimpanzees, how come there are still chimpanzees? Well, we're not descended from chimpanzees. We're both descended from a common ancestor who lived there about 6 million years ago. That common ancestor then produced two branches, one of which went to us humans, and one of which went to chimpanzees, branching further to produce bonobos and common chimpanzees. We are all cousins. We are not descended from chimpanzees. More distantly related are gorillas. They share a common ancestor with both us and chimpanzees. That's the common ancestor between gorillas and humans and chimps. So humans and chimps are a natural group which are related to gorillas, cousins of gorillas, and all of those animals, which are all African apes. The African apes are gorillas, humans, bonobos, and chimpanzees. All the African apes have a common ancestor with orangutans. That's the common ancestor with orangutans. Those are all the great apes. So the great apes are all cousins. Within the great apes, the African apes are closer cousins. Within the African apes, humans, bonobos, and chimps are closer cousins still, and within them, bonobos and chimpanzees are the closest cousins of all.